Stay tuned to see how I install this TV over a stone fireplace. Hi, my name is Will Vitella, home technology expert. This family gave me a call and said, hey Will, can you install a big screen TV over the stone fireplace without any wires showing? Well, of course I can. After taking precise measurements, doing the drilling, doing the wiring, I even do the drywall repair work, the sanding and the texturing, leaving it beautiful and paint ready. You can see that it looks like the house was originally built and wired for a TV over the fireplace. You can see the wall mount bracket in the outlet. It's just installed beautifully and professionally. Wow, look at this. 75-inch television set with an Apple TV 4K to be able to watch their regular TV and Netflix using an Apple Universal Remote Control. If you want to schedule a free in-home estimate, go to HomeTechnologyExpert.com.